And this too.
I mean, where's the camera? Where the heck?
There's no camera.
No, I'm not same man. No, I'm not the coach same pass. The bad everything.
I just want everything to change. I want you to be my favorite girl. I want you to be my daughter here, okay?
Wow.
Just eat up, alright? I want you to be happy.
Okay. You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. So from today, you are now my favorite girl in this orphanage home.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're welcome. Why I insisted you eat it here is because I don't want you to share with any other person. I want you to eat alone.
That's so nice of you.
You're a nice person, you know. It's just that at first we didn't understand each other.
Abi, it's not. Abi, there's no problem.
No. Just 1 or 2 misunderstandings, but now, I'm ready for you. You are now my personal daughter.
I'm calling you mommy.
Yes, of course. Call me mommy.
Mommy.
Call me again.
Mommy.
Say it again.
Mommy. Any person, I want to cancel all the people that used to come and donate Gary, rice. They should not come here again. They should not even see this orphanage again. We're tired of Gary. My tummy is even tired of Gary. I'm going blind day by day because of Gary. All the people that used to bring turkey, shawarma, chicken, pizza, all of them, they should be coming. It's all this Gary and rice. I'm tired and noodles. Cause that's the only thing they can bring. Anytime you see the noodles, 10 cartons of noodles. Nobody is bringing yam. Nobody is bringing beef. Nobody is bringing shawarma. Nobody is bringing turkey. Nobody is bringing chicken. Nobody is bringing toro. Nobody is bringing anything again. Ukwa. No ukwa. No abacha. Only noodles. Gary. Rice! God, I'm tired. They should stop coming. Blind all of their eyes. Anybody that's coming with you, just change their direction. Anybody that's coming with shawarma, push them inside this place. In Jesus' name. Amen. Anybody that, Lord, bless us.
What's this one doing?
Bless us.
And why are you still lying on the bed?
Anybody that is cutting my prayer short, Father Lord, let the person sleep and not wake up.
Jesus Christ.
Not you. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Of course it's not true.
Lord, as I'm praying, Father Lord, let the person fall inside gutter. The person will never survive me today.
It is you and that your useless mother that refused to abort you will not survive it.
If your own mother had aborted you, the world would have been a better place.
Are you talking to me like that?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Are you mad?
Leave me!
Are you referring to
Leave
me?
me!
You are very stupid. You are mad!
Lord, another that is chasing me. Father Lord, cripple them. You know,
I will cripple you now. I will cripple you now.
Leave me!
Gossip!
Leave me!
Gossip! And what are you still doing here? Get out of this! Very fast! Gossip! Mama. Matron. The only woman where they talk to me.
They not reach you, they don't work. You not get money, they show, but who you want in place? Who them be now? They not reach you.
Alright, what is it?
Let me see first.
You know, my family brought 2 bags of rice yesterday and tomatoes.
You know, I almost forgot. Okay, this is what will happen. You give the children half bag of rice as usual. Then my brother will be coming tomorrow to carry 1 bag of rice. Then the other half, you know what to do with it. Anything you like, you do with it.
Okay, but there was a problem. Kosi, that little brat thing. Remember the last time we wanted to sneak out food? She stops us.
Yes, that little brat. You know the annoying part about this whole thing is that she's barely 6 months in this orphanage home. So what will happen when she stays for 1 year? Like we're going to disappear because of her?
Why don't we give her to the next couple for adoption?
I wish. That's not how things works in this orphanage home. It is the couple that will choose the child that they want to adopt. Left for me, I would have flushed her away ever since. But notwithstanding, like I said, I will call my brother to come collect 1 bag of rice tomorrow. And as he's coming, he should come with red oil. You know why? Now who gets mama? They chop tomatoes rice.
They make pants the mean now.
Rice na rice. Palm oil rice, tomatoes rice na the same thing. They don't get choice.
Wow, malice, baby.
Now you understand where I'm coming from. So, palm oil rice, here they come. You know, the annoying thing is that
again, I really thought it was it. All the symptoms were there.
You know you shouldn't bother yourself for a situation you have absolutely no control over. God's time is the best, like I said. In God's time, we're going to have plenty of kids. Okay?
It bothers me a lot. This is my 6 years since I said I do on the altar. Nothing to show for it. Not even a miscarriage.
We both went to the doctor and he certified us okay. It's simple but okay. So you have nothing to worry about. We're going to have kids. I know that. This house is going to be filled with lots of kids. Okay?
I just hope so. Because this is not funny anymore.
Hey.
It's not funny. I want to carry my own child.
Stay positive. I know so. Okay?
Hello? Yes, good afternoon. No. Listen. Don't start coming. Don't start coming until I tell you to come. Wait, I'll give you a call when I want you to come. Okay? You know this short thing is around. This girl. She is around. She's monitoring us. So hold on first. I will tell you when to come, okay? Alright, thank you so much. I will call you, I promise. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
I've told you this before, I know how to handle these companies, okay? Leave them to me, I'll take care of it. It's alright, I'll look into the files when I come to the office on Monday, okay? Yeah. Alright man, take care. Bye. Babe! Babe!
Hi, baby. Tell me how I look. You know I have to represent you well, my baby. How do I look?
You look beautiful.
Thank you, my love.
Is that why you have to spend the whole day dressing up?
I'm so sorry, baby.
It's alright, fine. Let's go.
Oh, sorry. Oma. Oma's calling. Yeah, hello, Oma. Hey girl, what's up now? Oh my god! Are you serious? Oh my god, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Alright dear, I will call you, okay? I will call you later. I will definitely see you. Alright, take care. Bye. My goodness.
I guess it's good news.
Yes, it's good news. Oma's baby girl just arrived, so I am officially a godmother. Yeah.
Wow, that's good news. I'm sure her husband should be head over heels wherever he is right now. Huh?
Yes, it is.
Why aren't you like this? Are you not happy for them?
I'm happy. I'm happy. It's just that I'm happy for the new life. Don't worry. I'm happy.
Why the sudden change of mood? I mean, don't tell me you're actually like this because of us.
Yes, it's true. I have to be like this. Eh? Oma and Jerry just got married 11 months ago. Kingsley, your friend, got married the same time with you. You already had 3 kids. Just look at us. We're still here.
Come on, babe. You don't have to start comparing us with them. Okay?
Baby,
you don't do that.
I am a woman. I am a woman. I've been married to you for 6 years now. Nothing to show up. No child. And we have been meeting every day of our lives. I've not even for one day missed my period.
Can we not have this conversation today? We're going somewhere.
Maybe I'm not in the mood
Let's
anymore.
leave.
I'm not in the mood. I'm not going out again. You can go alone. I'm not going.
What do you mean by that? I've been waiting all day for you.
Babe, can you not do this to yourself right now?
Let me see out of myself till I carry my own child. I want to carry my own child with my hands. Please.
So you mean you both could not successfully move the food items?
Sister, that girl is smart. Over smart, they worry that girl. You will say after the drama which she don't create finish, she carry herself, go like that for keke, come to us if she dey sleep.
What did Chioma do?
She insisted we should let her sleep there to avoid another nightmare.
You see that girl? She's getting on my last nerve. She's really beginning to piss me off.
Which one? That's not the issue. The problem is, how do we move?
Shh.
How do you move what? What does you want to move? You cannot move it though. I'm still here. You cannot move it. Are you listening to me? What do you mean by how do you move it? Eh?
Kosi, how dare you walk into my office without my permission?
I don't need permission to walk into this place. Besides, who gave you the permission? Who gave you? How dare you to see from the orphanage?
Just
You tried.
make yourself.
You tried. I will expose you. Try it now.
You open dirty mouth, you talk my sister like that.
Come on, you.
Let's say nowhere.
Kosi.
You and your sister. As you talk that nonsense now, she know they touch you. Say, you and your sister, the only way we two of them fit survive now by stealing from us.
Should I allow me use this thing now?
Just let her be.
What is it? Is it because we don't have parents? That we don't have parents don't mean that we will not eat. You were selected to take care of us and not to kill us.
you one question. Did any of us kill your parents? Huh?
Answer!
So now let me ask you too. Why did you accept to work here? What is your work here? It's not to take care of us because we don't have parents. So you accepted to work here. People are not planning bad against us. You want to kill us before our time.
Did we turn you to orphan? Yeah?
Did I turn you to beggar?
Huh?
Did I turn you to a hungry person?
Petra, why did you accept to be an orphan? Why? Why?
Alright, it's okay. It's okay.
Sister.
See, let me tell you, as long as I'm in this orphanage, you two, I'll keep on frustrating you. Don't try all this nonsense you want to do.
Yes, I will bring this girl. I will bring this girl.
God, them thief party.
Kosi.
Kosi! Sister, but just package this girl, for DHL. Carry her like this, wrap her. Just do it away.
Listen, we just have to be careful the way we move with this child. Listen, I don't want her to expose us, you know.
Sometimes I wonder where they pick this tiny devil from. This small devil.
She can't bad play, she can't bad play.
Don't worry, I'll figure something out. Okay?
She's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do. I say, Okribo. She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? And she fears nobody. Cause he's so tricky. She fears nobody. She be no-nonsense girl.
Not yet, but I'm positive they will. They will. You know, we're still having arguments. Still trying to reach agreements between 6.5 to 7 billion. Yes, I'm sticking to that. It has to be it or nothing, or no deal.
Well, in that case, why don't they just go ahead and sign the contract? Let's start immediately.
I don't know. I'm just wasting our time. But it's all good. I'm positive they will sign.
Listen, now, if you ask me, I think we should agree to them. Because Z Enterprise is ready to sign at the price. Which,
Z?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Z is here. And we're here. Up high. What are you talking about? No. There's no competition, man. Trust me. We're the best. Believe that. There's no Oh, excuse me. Chief's call. Yeah, Chief, how you doing? Right now? It's alright, I'll be at your office in no time. Thank you.
Wait, hold on. Is that why I suspect it is?
They've asked me to come and sign the deal.
Wow.
I told you.
Congratulations, man.
It's a win-win for both of us, man. So let's go to the office.
You're a magician.
girl, you are blowing. You can say that again. Hey! Motherhood really looks good on you. I'm telling you.
Thank you. I'm even shocked the way I'm glowing. Right? I'm telling you, my sister.
So tell me, why did you come with my goddaughter? She's just a month old.
She's with her grandma. You see that woman? She won't even allow me to pick a pin from the house.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, she treats me so well.
That is how it should be. Yeah.
Thank God, my sister.
You're so lucky to have her. I'm telling you.
You see, at first, I thought I would feed the absence of my mother. But you see that woman? My mother-in-law, she's an amazing person. I'm telling you.
That is how it should be. I'm telling you. That is how it should be.
Thank God.
I thank God for you. It's not easy to have a good mother-in-law. I'm telling you. Yours is good.
Happy, my sister.
Yeah.
Jollof rice. You cooked jollof rice. And I've not received mine. Hey!
She see you and jollof rice. You and jollof rice now 5 and 6. I thought that this motherhood of a thing will change you.
Change, Kate.
But it not change you at all.
For Nigerian jollof rice. Ha, my sister. Don't joke with me. You just the player. I'm sorry, I forget. My new collections, my clothes are coming.
Are you serious?
Don't forget to come and pick yours. So avoid story that touch.
I will not forget. Don't worry. I'll come by this weekend, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
So let me go and serve you.
You sit down. Sit down. I will go and serve myself because I've been waiting for this job for a long time.
So you want to go and serve yourself in my kitchen?
No problem. Enjoy. Have fun. Eat. You will not kill me. I thought this motherhood would have changed all these things and all of that. Hey.
Harriet, wake up, wake up. This morning is time for devotion. Harriet, wake up. Leave me now. What is it? What is it now? Wake up. Wake up. Wait. Why are your clothes wet? Don't tell me you wet the bed. I'm wet to bed now. Jeez! What's the meaning of this now? How can you be wetting the bed now? Jesus Christ! Who poured water on me? Why will you pour it? Oh, I don't like this kind of thing. What is all this? Please, I know you yourself, you didn't even believe you're bedwetting for Christ's sake. I don't understand. How will I accept what I did not? I don't bedwet now, Enough of the denial, please. Make sure you just go and freshen up. And make sure you sun this bed because before I come back, I don't want to sleep where you urinate. Choma, I can swear. I did not bedwet. It's why what you don't want to believe. I did not bedwet. Don't worry, I will take care of the morning devotion. Just freshen up and take care of this bed. What is the meaning of this? Big girl like you're still bedwetting. When will you stop all these things now? Someone will not sleep in peace again. I will be sleeping in a bed that they finish bedwetting now. I will take care of the morning devotion. Don't worry, just freshen up and please sun this bed though. I did not bedwet now, So why are you talking like this? Sun the bed before I come back. How will I carry this whole bed outside and sun? And what do you want this thing? I beg, please, make sure you sun this bed though. How come I beg? How?
I have been you see how come you bedwet? So don't even cover it. I saw it already. You don't need to cover it. I already heard it outside. You say how can you bedwet at your age? I heard it and I saw you. I saw the map of Nigeria in your bedroom.
I did not bedwet. Water poured on me.
Oh, you are talking to somebody that don't have sense. What happened? What are now let all the places to pour? Now on your body. Oh, on top of your body. Now, not from your waist down. You know, still go pour.
Nobody did for you. And why didn't you knock before coming inside?
They said I should come and ask why I'm not coming this morning. And now I've seen why. I want to go and tell them that because you bedwet. So you are bedwetting at your age.
Kosi, you are shouting. I did not bedwet. Water poured on me.
I'll just pity you now. Let me just go and tell them what happened. Because I know that now you're already thinking in your mind. Let this go and open. Let me enter inside.
Get out.
Let me go and tell them that it's because you bedwet. You are trying to change your clothes. That's why you have not said that.
Kosi, go now.
I'm going to tell them that bedwet. So
you won't go cast me, Abi?
I'm not going to cast you.
It's water. They are going to announce it's water. Tell them it's water. I did not bedwet.
She know they hear what to
Which one is
Kosi na jagaban. She said no. And she
know
they hear what I say bakriba. She said no nonsense girl.
Next time you will never wash your toilet when you are done.
Am I the one that killed your mother? Did I kill your father? No. Oh yeah, raise those hands up. You see today, by the time I'm done with you, you will learn how to flush the toilet when you are done with it. Raise your hand up. Nonsense.
Sometimes I wonder, punishing innocent children and prizing adult pampers, the one that is more important.
Stand up and get out of this place. Move! Get out from this place. Move! Kosi.
Now they should move. Because you know that me and you will know what I'm talking about.
Kosi, you're beginning to bite more than what you can chew.
I'm beginning to buy that. I'm advising you that you should buy pampers because you're bedwetting. Is that what you're calling? What is it? Leave this your bedwetting hand from my. Don't touch to my mouth though. Sound that is smelly. So now the way we are treating everybody, treating all of us in this place as if we are nothing. You like it, you're happy.
Of course, you people are nothing. You all are nothing.
We are nothing.
Yes.
Yet you are. If I call you fool, it look like an insult. We are nothing, but you are Metro. You are using. You are stealing our food to survive.
You see?
Leave me. I can't be using noses as you can't be eating it so that you stop smelling this your piece. You're waiting at this your age. You know what to do. What is it?
Where are you going? I don't want to go and talk. But don't talk now.
I should not talk.
Yeah.
Well, I should not talk about what?
Don't talk that I normals.
Your normals?
Yeah.
Talk out the name now. Bedwetting. I should not tell people that you are bedwetting.
Use your voice now.
I should not talk. Then answer me. I should not tell people that you are bedwetting. Bedwetting.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you know I'm not your mate. So stop this thing you are doing now. I don't like it.
If I'm keeping it, it's not free. And it's not even by force. If you're not okay with it, you can leave me. I can cancel.
She said no nonsense girl. And she know they hear what do I say bakriba. She said no nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they hear what and she fears nobody, cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody.
Alright. What are you doing here? What are you doing with Oziza leave? Whatever you're doing with it, that's none of my business. Listen, the kids will be going on excursion in 2 days. Make plans on how to carry out food items by then. Am I understood?
Yes, ma. I was thinking we should hold on for now.
What rubbish are you talking about?
I was just bringing an energy, so.
Do as you were asked. Okay. And stop showing Oziza leave as if you pee on your bed.
She said no nonsense girl. And she know they hear what do I say bakriba. She's a no-nonsense girl. She know the tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what and she fears nobody, eh? Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl.
Now chop big meat.
I take no say you chop big meat.
Nah, I'm not gonna. Now my dreams now. Now me command and tell her say make she put big meat in our food.
I take the weekend man.
I take the weekend woman. You go no now. You know, make her tell you. Nah, tell you. Catch her where she dey piss for bed. Yes. Hey, you know that big auntie like that go dey piss for bed. I catch her. Now I call you and tell her say anything what I want. She go dey do her. Tell her make she dey put big meat for us, baby food. Now make we dey enjoy like this.
Yes, like you too sharp.
Yes, no, I wanna go sharp. I wanna go sharp. I sharp badona. Everybody go dey enjoy life. Anything when I want, come just tell me, I will tell her.
Hey, don't do your shoulder.
You don't do my shoulder. Like you don't do my shoulder, my sister. You to enjoy big meat.
I enjoy well, you try.
Yes, ma'am. I will try. Try. My dreams, my dreams. Don't worry. As I'm not become governor for this place, now everybody go to get out. That good to enjoy life. That's why I'm here. I'm your friend. Abby? See your face. Hey. I'll be guest to be now. Let them try us now.
And she fears nobody, eh? Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody.
The evil things you're doing, stop it before it's too late.
Choma, that nonsense you just said, are you by any chance referring to me? Yes, I am talking to you. Change from your evil ways. You are very stupid. You are mad. Are you okay? Do you think people don't know how you and the matron have been stealing food from this orphanage? Or how the both of you have been planning to keep the cash nation to yourselves? Eh? I see. So now you know, why not go to the matron straight and tell her you want to join the WhatsApp gang?
God forbid. That's me, Chioma, follow in stealing from the orphanage. Children kept under our care.
Chioma, do you realize I am your senior colleague? Eh? Or is it because we sleep on the same bed? That's what causes this nonsense. Abi? Harriet, change from your evil ways. Not tomorrow night, start blaming your village people when Karma strikes you. I've said my own, no. Is it that Karma will strike? The next time you walk up to me and say this rubbish, or throw words on me, you know that I'm not your mate and I will deal with you.
Change! Harriet, change!
Please excuse me with your Virgin Mary attitude.
Can you imagine?
The next time you stop me to say this, I will
change from your evil ways, Harriet! Change! Stealing, everything of you are stealing from your family. Children, get under our own care. What's all this?
No secret is meant to last forever. No secret is meant to last forever.
God, what have I done to deserve all this? My 60-year wedding anniversary is in few weeks and I haven't taken in. If I had aborted pregnancies during my university days, I would have said it's my fault, but no. Why is this happening to me? Who did I offend in my previous life? I know my husband is unbothered about this, but what if his people insist that he takes a second wife who will bear him children to inherit his wealth? What becomes of me? Or does Eze now already have a woman out there who has children or something for him? No. I can't just sit in the river and let soap enter my eyes. I can't. I have to do something. I have to act fast. I cannot just fold my hands and allow soap to enter my eyes. No.
I don't want to be friends with Kosi again.
Why is that?
I don't like her anymore. I asked her to tell Auntie Harriet to stop giving us assignments and she refused. She even called me coconut head.
Why will you ask her to do such thing?
Why won't I? Is she not our friend?
Okay, so because our friend is using the knowledge that Auntie Harriet bedwetted too.
Auntie Harriet is not bedwet. Did you not consider pour water on her and her maid? Look like she peed on her bed.
Repeat it! Repeat it! Repeat it! What did you just say?
Because you pour water on your body, look like you peed on your bed.
Because you poured water on me. On the bed! And then you look as if I bedwet. And you people did not care to tell me, Abi? On your knees. No! You didn't care to tell me! On your knees! I said, kneel down!
You're sorry.
Kneel down! You witches and wizards didn't care to tell me, Abi? But then I am done with you. You will know that I am not here to joke. Where is she?
Auntie Harriet, we are sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self. Sorry for your stupid mother. Sorry for your stupid father. Sorry for yourself. Raise your hand up. Raise your hand up. Raise it up. Did I kill them? Did I kill them? And the most annoying part is this short devil, this dwarf used to command me around. They hold me. And so I am done with you people and gossip. People know that I am not here to joke with you. Leave that now. Leave that. Nonsense. Winch. See that corruption? I will stop it. Gossip! Gossip! Come up here!
She's sweet, of course. It's so hot.
I am done with you today. You don't know your mates. Big thing.
Yeah, I forgot that she got and cast you. Have you forgotten?
Cast what? Cast what? Cast that you poured water on me on the bed, Abi? So it look as if I bed wet. Big Queen. Gossip. Big Queen.
Sorry, it's mistake. I don't even know when I poured it. I'm not telling that one now.
Eh? Sorry for your stupid self. Sorry for your stupid mother and your stupid father. Did I turn you to orphan? Big Queen. By the time I am done with you, hell will reject you. Hellfire will reject you. Short devil. So you have the mind to pour water on me. You look at me, you who have it, and you pour water on me, Abi? You're commanding me around. Pick that thing. Carry that your leg up. Pick it well. By the time I go in and bring out my rope and you are not picking pin, that's when you know that I am not here to joke with you. I am not here. Pick that pin very well. Pick it. Devil incarnate. Second devil. Don't worry, let me bring my rope and you're not picking pin. You tell me. I'm going to tell you today.
Oh. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? And she fears nobody. Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl about everywhere.
My sense for me.
Yes, 1 minute, please. Okay. Have this. Okay. This is 100,000 naira and it's your own share.
My share, how? I didn't do anything to deserve this money. And moreover, I've received my salary.
Come off it. It's from the 500,000 naira that was donated to this orphanage yesterday. So this is your share.
Ma, this money are meant for the children. They need this money. Most of them, their beds are spoiled and most of them are sleeping on the floor already.
I know. That is why I've discussed with the authority that instead of the normal 1 million naira they send monthly, they'll be sending 1.5 million naira this month so I can fix every other thing in this orphanage.
Wow.
So you can have this.
So Miss Edith normally sends money for the upkeep of this orphanage.
Now you know. Okay, this is what's going to happen. I'll be giving you 200,000 naira every month. That's the same amount I've been giving to Harriet. Then I'll take 400,000. Then we'll use the rest to just fix the orphanage. Hope that is okay.
Ma, this is shared wickedness. These children need this money and even more.
They need more clothes, more learning materials, and we even need to get a laptop for them to be computer literate. They need this money.
Chioma.
Ma.
Two cannot work unless they agree. Hope you know that. So please take this money.
No, I can't take this money. I don't want to share in the punishment from stealing from the orphanage. God forbid. I can't.
What if I insist you take the money?
Ma, I can't take this money. I can't be part of this. Over my dead body. Please remember that Mama is sorry.
Get out!
It's so hard.
Can you imagine? Because I stoop so low to your level, you want to lecture me?
Marriage is not for me, my guy. I must confess. So because of marriage now, you're rushing home to your wife after this drink.
Yes. I'm so tired, man.
Well, lucky you. At least you have a wife you go home to. I'll give you a massage and take all the stress off your body.
You think so?
Are you serious? What do you mean by you think so? Bro, listen, are you having any marital issue?
You see, my wife is obsessed with the fact that we do not have a child yet. Can you imagine the last time we were making out, she refused to ride me. She asked me to stay on top because she feels or she believes it will walk faster.
Bro. Does she have any medical problems or something?
She doesn't. She's medically okay.
And I know you are okay too.
Of course I am.
Okay, you know what, if I may ask, are you thinking of taking a second wife? Yeah, because women, you know, they love children a lot and you know how they are with children.
Why would I?
Oh, come on, why are you sounding this way? Okay, now you tell me. Since your wife, Lily, can give you a child, someone that will bear your name, so that you inherit your property when you're no more, don't you think it would be wise for you to get another woman? Okay? Listen, you can get a wife for yourself without your wife knowing. You don't need to tell her about it. Lily doesn't have to know.
Oh, that's absolute rubbish. Believe that. Absolute rubbish.
You know this is not rubbish, yeah? You know I'm saying the truth. I'm not talking rubbish here. Okay, fine. Who's going to inherit your property when you're no more? Eh?
Listen, bro, I think this meeting is over. Before you make me cheat on my wife, I have to go home to my baby.
No, listen, you don't need to go yet.
I'll see you. I'm not going to any club. I'll see you later. Alright? Take care of the bill. I'll take care of the bill.
No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep it?
You know, say there are some things I'm trying to fix for this people. If I call, you go fix it for me.
Even as that, we need to go. There are better opportunities out there for you. The last time a woman came here to adopt you, you rejected her.
Opportunities there inside this place too. Papi, you go tell me say you know the see all this lecture and that and tell like they do.
I see it though. But there is nothing I can do. Do you even know they want me to join them?
Very wicked people.
I just pray they change. Because karma is very
whether
real.
they change or they not change, they must report in the soul.
Now it's okay. Let's stop talking about them. Let's just focus on you, my baby. Kosi, yes.
Focus on me. Focus on me. Okay, they get money, I go.
Hey, you even like money?
I go suffer to suffer. Yes, now.
Hey,
Hey, Kosi. Hey,
So, madam, you said you brought him from the market.
Yeah, now we are they say something. Now I see this speaking they waka around.
I don't check. I don't see him mama or him papa. I don't see anybody. And I don't keep him now. I never see anybody. Now I say I can't give you now before I go enter trouble. You know as baby.
You're such a good Samaritan. Because some people just see this baby, this little child, and ignore him. How are you? Bye boy. What's your name? Hey, what's a poor child? Okay, madam, see what's happening. I'll take you inside. You have to fill some form, write your name, phone number, and address. So, madam, there are some certain processes to take to ensure that no one will come here tomorrow and accuse us of kidnapping. And these processes includes getting a police statement, understand, and declaring him missing for some time, so that no one will come here and claim him tomorrow. Hope you'll be ready if you need for any of these processes.
They are available anytime when you come.
Okay, so we'll go inside and fill some form. Then I'll take you to the metron. Understand?
No secret is meant to last forever. Ah, yeah. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret? How long?
What? You want what? Baby, stop. I'm tired, okay?
What do you mean you're tired? Baby, you can't be tired now, eh?
Okay, I'm tired.
Can you be sleeping peacefully in this house? Knowing fully well that you don't have the air. Baby, please, wake up now. We need to make out. I want you. I want my baby. Baby, now. Baby, you can't be sleeping. Baby, open your eyes now. Open your eyes.
Babe, I'm tired. I mean, we had this morning now.
Baby, I don't like this thing you're doing now. Baby, please do something now. Let's make out, I'll not allow you to rest, though. Until you give me a child in this house. Let me start with you. Yes, let me give you a head.
Babe, stop now, stop.
Baby, now, give me my rights now. Why are you behaving like this now? It's not making sense now. Baby, I have something in the fridge. I have a lot of drinks. I have Odogu bitter. I have Origin bitter. I have Fearless. Baby, I have something that will make you kakaranka. That will make your teeth stand. Baby, now.
Please.
Baby, I don't like this thing you're doing. You cannot have peace in this house.
Babe, I'm just tired.
No, you cannot be tired, baby. Put it inside.
Hey. You sleep today now.
Wait.
When I came back.
Open this thing. Wait, let me.
How can he be so successful? How can I, Harrison Onu, be working for someone that ate my leftovers way back in school? Ezina was a pauper. I lent him money for handouts numerous times, and I didn't even collect my money back. It's supposed to be me as the boss, while he's the one collecting orders from me. But it's the other way round. Ezina, I will teach you a lesson you'll never forget in a hurry.
Ezina, I will take over everything you have. That includes your beautiful wife, Lily. I'll make sure you do my biddings and not the other way around. You are finished. I'm coming for you.
So, Kosi, do you like it?
You don't like it, that thing. Let's go. Now, energy drink is supposed to buy for me, or even local devils, because the kind of what they buy for this place, nothing.
Kosi, you're a child, and Capricorn is good for children, okay?
No, I love you. Why you buy me this thing, Abby?
Because listen, you know we started on the wrong foot, so I just want to make amends. I just want to make peace with you. That is why I bought this for you. I also want you to be my daughter.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I am back on the wrong foot anything. Now you start on the wrong foot. You are open.
Okay, no problem. I just want us to have a clean slate. Okay? I want you to be free with me. Anything you want, anything at all, just tell me. I'll do it for you. Yes, I just want to be your mother. And when this finishes, I'll get you another one.
Mommy.
Cozy.
Mommy.
Cozy. You want more, right? Okay. How many can you finish?
I can't finish 10, but if anyone, let me know the greedy.
Okay, 10.
I can bring 2 or 3.
2 or 3. Okay.
I'll
get you another one, sure. And
Mommy.
My daughter.
Mommy.
My daughter.
If she enter your matter, wahala go dey. Oh yeah. Hey, Kosi na jagaban. She's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do. I say, Okribo. She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what. Cause and she fears nobody. Hey. Cause he's so tricky. She fears nobody. Hey. She be no-nonsense girl. About everywhere. Yeah, yeah.
Kosi, what are you doing here?
Calm down, we are safe. My daughter.
Who is your daughter? Eh?
I thought
you start what to know because you buy me biscuits and drink. Because they talk. Why do you want to steal our food stuff?
Kosi, calm down.
Why do you want to steal our food stuff?
Why are you shouting now? Calm down. Kosi.
What?
But I put you something and
you got me okay because you now buy I should be keeping quiet when you are stealing. Auntie, please carry this inside back.
Kosi, you're not serious.
If I say it again, I'm going to shout. People will gather here. I'm telling that you are stealing our food stuff. Carry this
Kosi, we have another store outside. We want you to go and keep it.
Carry this inside 1, 2, if I count 3, I'll shout.
So the capucine and this thing I bought for you, does no use?
No use, you cannot talk. No use.
Kosi,
maybe I'll give you sugar, but you spit them out.
We have another store outside. We are taking it.
And tell me carry that to go inside. I will stay. When you give me that thing, I'm like, I won't make sure giving me something. Mama, they tell me saying people want to do back to me. But if I don't do that, my choice first. If I'm not staying here,
she know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what and she fears nobody.
What if Izena decides to take a second wife or something? Will I still be here waiting for God's time?
Izena will not do that. Izena will not do that. He won't. Izena is a good man. He's one of the best breed of men out there. You know he loves you so much. He loves you with all his heart.
What if his people decides to pressure him with something? What would be my fate?
Yeah.
Do you know what it will become?
I think you need to take things easy, my friend. Please.
It's so easy for you to say. this is just a year in your marriage and you're already having a child for your husband. Oma, this is my 60 years of marriage. 6 good years, not even a miscarried. Nothing.
Have you considered adoption?
Adoption?
Yes, adoption. Have you?
Adoption?
Yes, adoption. You know, they say children, being around the children attract children. Do you know that?
I've never thought about that.
I myself am adopted.
What?
Mm-hmm.
You are adopted?
Yes, I was adopted. My mom adopted me when I was and passed away.
I'm so sorry about that. I never knew.
It's okay. You never knew, right? You've met my mom numerous times, even before she died. And you can testify that she was so good to me.
I'm speechless.
Lily, I'm telling you this because I feel like you need to know this. You don't need to carry a child in your womb to qualify as a mother. Okay? I'm not saying you should give up. Why you're trying? You need to give yourself a chance to be a mother. Why you're trying, okay? Please. Stop crying.
Stop crying. I'll help you.
How long can you keep us separate? How long?
Kosi, what is it? How dare you barge into my office like that?
I'm not eating since. And the chef said you instructed her not to give me food. Why?
Is that why you barged into my office?
Because I am hungry. Why are you treating me this way?
Kosi, I gave you a chance at life. But what did you do? You threw it out of the window. What else do you want me to do?
You're very wicked. I'm going to punish you for this.
God will punish me after you have died of starvation. Simple. I want to do my thing.
Petra, please, I may not know the crime she has committed, but starving her is not the best way to punish her. Please.
Chioma, get out.
Ma,
I said get out!
Ma, please, think about it.
You're so wicked, and you are definitely going to pass through worse than you have put us through.
My offer still stands. Allow me do my thing in this orphanage home, or you die of starvation.
Over my dead body.
Then watch you die.
She's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say, Bokribo. She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation.
Oh my God, baby, you are fire.
Oh God, you're so good. Let's confess you something else.
I enjoyed it, baby.
I enjoyed it too. And you almost gassed me out. I'm better than him, right? Yeah, I'm sure I'm better than him. I'm dead sure about that.
What's the meaning of that?
How do you
I've warned you several times that whenever we are making out, stop talking about my husband. I don't like it. What do you mean you're better than him?
Come on.
Please stop it.
Why are you so paranoid? Huh? I can't help it. Okay, I'm sorry, fine. I just can't help it. That's why.
Well, that's by the way. I'm thinking of adopting a child.
Adoption?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to have my own child. I need someone to call me mother and all of that.
No.
Yes.
Adoption is not an option, yo. That will stop us from enjoying this.
That's not possible. It will not stop us from anything. Yes.
You know, you will, alright? Let's just go and one more round, okay?
I'm not done one round. That's my husband's. He's back.
But you told me he doesn't always come back by this time. I hope he's back by this time.
This girl will kill me in this orphanage. Kosi will kill me. Kill me in this orphanage.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Take
it easy now. Do you want to break my waist? Take it easy.
I'm sorry, ma.
It's painful.
I'm sorry. I'm serious. Matron, I think we should do something about this girl.
Something like what? What is something like what? Won't you focus on the massage? Why are you putting your mouth in another person's business?
Madam, I don't know what both of you are planning. But I will only tell you that children tend to act the way they are being treated. I didn't even know it. I thought it was nothing when Coach should not enter your office.
What kind of nonsense talk is that? What are you saying? Are you insinuating that we are not treating the children right? Is that what you're saying?
No, Matron, but even the Bible says in Matthew 7 verse 12 that we should treat others the way we want them to treat us.
See, yeah, Choma, wait. Are you trying to say that this girl is justified for what she did to Matron? A woman that is old enough to be a mother?
I didn't say anything like that. But if both of you should treat these children well, they will also treat both of you well. That's what I'm trying to say.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Is it paining you too much?
It's treating me.
Oh God! In fact, I'm tired of massaging you, Matron. Harriet, I'll be waiting. Where are you going to?
Finish that waist.
Come on, continue.
I said you should finish the waist. Who are you leaving that machine for?
But both of you are 5 and 6 now. It's your turn to massage.
I am not touching that machine.
Finish that machine. Stop! Just come on.
She said your waist is machine, though. Come on, massage.
I said massage.
Finish the waist.
It's your turn. I'm tired. It's your turn. I'm tired.
I am not touching this waist. Massage the waist.
When you plan,
it's your turn. I'm tired.
Okay. Oh yeah, move. Let me see you.
When you guys are planning for, I want you to move. Let me hold me. Move. Come on, hold me.
Doing things the wrong way, 'cause you know they are what. 'Cause and she fears nobody, hey. 'Cause he's so tricky. She fears nobody.
Baby, what's going on? Baby.
Happy anniversary to us.
What a pleasant surprise.
I had to take time off work to fix all of this. And I'm glad you like it.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Alright, let's move to the permanent site. Come on.
Oh my goodness, baby, you did all of this.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I do get all by myself.
Really? You did a good job.
Thank you. Alright.
Thank you, my king.
Bon appetit. Alright, let's go. Alright. Your favorite wine. Get a push, let push. Al Francais. There you go.
Oh, baby!
I'm scared, don't worry.
I'm so scared right now, baby. Thank you, baby.
Alright, I'd like to propose a toast.
Okay.
To us. Forever.
Yeah. To forever. Wow.
Still the best.
Yeah. I love it.
And I love you more.
Love you, baby.
And I promise to love and cherish you for the rest of my life.
Come here.
One time is over. Let's eat.
Baby.
Yes.
You're still a great cook.
You thought I would forget how to cook because it's been long I made food in this house? Come on.
Baby, be the one doing the cooking for me now. Ah, this is so delicious. I love it.
I'm glad you love it.
Baby is the best cook ever.
My hype woman.
It's so Basio.
Yeah. So I told your friends hold you down at work while I arranged this.
No wonder Oma kept me in her house since for a very long time. So this was why she was delaying. Now I see. Nice one. You guys played your card very well.
Alright, so apart from the 100 million that I'm going to send to your account right now, what else do you want me to do for you? Think about it.
Baby.
Whatever it is,
For real?
I promise you I'm going to do.
You promise to do anything I ask you?
Yes, anything. Well, apart from having my head on the platter. So anything.
Well, baby, I want to adopt a child.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. Yeah. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret? How long? Nothing's hidden under the sun.
I'm just taking a stroll on the street to take off things off my mind. Seriously, I'm overthinking things these days and I don't like it. This is almost a week and he has not said anything. I don't know what to do. I think this is a bad idea. This is a bad idea, me telling him to adopt a child and all of that. Seriously, he's not even saying anything about it. I don't know, I think he's overthinking it and I'm getting worried about this whole thing. Seriously, I don't know what to do. Are you sure? I don't know, Sha. I don't know. Whenever I bring up the issue, you just slide it. You just keep on avoiding me and it's not making sense. I don't think he likes the idea. That's why whenever I bring up the topic, you will avoid it. I don't know. I will still keep on trying. I'll keep on trying. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm speechless right now.
No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Baby,
There's something I want us to talk about.
I actually wanted us to talk about something, but I thought I should wait until morning. But now you brought it up. Fine, then let's talk.
It's about the other day. About the adoption. I think it's a bad idea. I'm so sorry about that.
Bad idea? No, it's not. It's actually a great idea.
What?
Yes. I mean, the laughter, the joy of a child will change the atmosphere, so it's a good idea.
Baby, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Oh my god. Baby, I won't. I was so scared. I was thinking that you're not going to agree to it.
I don't know. I was actually trying to think it through.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for making you feel bad now.
You have to pay me transfer. Baby, you have to apologize with transfer.
Excuse me. I take back my apologies. Okay?
Baby, you have to pay for me. You have to pay for me. Transfer or cash? Kind, baby, no. So I know you want something. I know you want something from me.
I want everything.
You want everything. I'm gonna give it to you right now. Okay. I'm gonna give you. Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm from, we're here for adoption.
But we don't have right now we don't have reason.
On the contrary, we want a little grown girl.
Yeah. I'll give you a phone too, and I'll take you to the person in charge. Come in. Open. Adoption. Okay. Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. You're welcome. Please sit down.
Okay, thank you.
Hilarious. What made you say that? It looks so weird. How will you say that to me? Oh my god. Kosi will not kill me. What's wrong with this?
Is that her name?
I'm sorry, the child that did this to me. Yes, but that's how she is. She's a very, playful person. I don't know. She's a very good child. She makes everywhere lively, and just imagine what she did to my baby.
Oh, I would love to see her. I think I want that child. Oh, yes, baby.
Oh, really?
Yes, I want the child that did this to your face.
No, we should go for a more respectful child, not the one that
No, sir. This little girl in question is a very, very free person. Like, she always made this orphanage lively.
You understand? Imagine what she did to my face. She always made sure I'm happy. She wasn't going to be happy. She relates with all the kids properly. She's perfect. Trust me, sir. You will love her.
Really?
Yes, you will love her.
Please, I want the girl that did this to your face, please. That's the person I want.
Okay, yeah, good. Please call me Kusi. You will love her, trust me. She's a wonderful kid, very intelligent.
You like her, baby? I already like her inside here.
Of course.
Yes.
She's a very good kid. Oh, here she comes. Kosi, Kosi, my baby, come here.
Oh my gosh.
Kosi.
So beautiful.
Oh.
You're beautiful.
Okay, Kosi, this good young man here and his wife, they want to adopt you.
She's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hi. My name is Lily Mbadiwe and here is my husband, Ezema Mbadiwe. We are hoping you do us the honor of being our daughter. Yes.
Gosh. I'm hoping I do you the honor of being your daughter. Not my parents. I wish you take me. She got a daughter and that person to the or you don't go my way.
Kosi, no, we don't want another person. I like you, it's you I want. Kosi.
That's not the way to talk to strangers, little woman. Yeah? That's not the way to talk to strangers.
Sir, I'm not clean your mouth. How you talking to me like that? I'm not yet a child. I'm not even accepted you yet. You're already showing me your true color. If I not accept you, not do what? If eventually I not agree for you to adopt me, this guy is maltreating me. I know you adopt baby, you're maltreating the person. It's not me and you.
You're not like that. Kosi, you need to be adopted. Kosi.
Matron, I think she's in a bad mood right now. Maybe we'll come next time when she's in a good mood.
That's a bag of trouble. That's a bag of trouble.
Maybe she's going to make us happy. She's a good girl. I already like her. She's a good girl, baby.
Can I say something?
Yes,
this Kosi child, she's a very good child.
Yes.
She's a very funny child. She will spice up your home. You need to adopt her. She's the best.
She's not. Nature, why don't we look at older kids? You don't have other kids, so let's.
No, baby, I don't need other kids. I want her. Yes. She's the one I want.
Seriously, I don't understand why you're so about this girl. What's so
No,
special about her?
you know this is an orphanage. We give out our best kid because we don't want to hear any complaint from our customers, our clients, or whatever. And Kosi, I'll tell you, she's our best kid here.
Metron, I love her already. I'll come back next time. Maybe she's not in a good mood today. Maybe something upset her, you know. Maybe we'll come back next time, okay? We'll come to her. I love her. Maybe she's the one for me. I love her. She's my daughter.
Alright, Nature. We'll come back.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. Please take care of her for me. She's my daughter.
Sure, I will. I know Kosi.
Alright. If she wants anything, just let us know.
Okay, I will. I will. Thank you so much.
Alright.
She said no nonsense girl, and she know
Yes, have a nice day, sir.
I say bokribo. She said no nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation. Doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? Cause and she fears nobody. Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl.
Today's crazy.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
You know, I still think we should go for another child. That girl looks like a bag of trouble. If you ask me.
Baby, I liked her already. Maybe we entered there. I knew she was my daughter. Yes, don't worry, baby. I am going to handle her. I'm going to handle my daughter, okay?
We've not even adopted her yet. You're personalizing her already.
Maybe she's mine already.
But she openly rejected us. How are you going to force her against her own will?
Maybe I'm not going to force her. I won't do that. I am going to win her heart in any possible way. Wow. Yes, don't worry about my daughter. Okay? She's my daughter.
You're very funny.
Okay, I'm not funny already, like how? She's my daughter already. Kosi is my daughter. Yes. That name sounds nice. Kosi.
You like her? How? Why?
Baby, see, I know you don't like her attitude, but don't worry. You see Kosi Sochukwu? She is my daughter. Kosi Mbadiwe. Baby, how do you say it? That name sounds nice.
Don't make me laugh.
What's her English name? You don't know? Okay, should we give her my name? Lily? Oh no. Maybe Lillian or Belle. What do you think?
What I'm thinking of right now is I am hungry. I need to eat something. Alright? So why don't you go into the kitchen and fix something for me to eat?
Baby, I'm not going into that kitchen with you. You are going to do your magic. Yes, and you know you promised me to be cooking for me from time to time. So you need to go in there and do your magic.
Darling, not today.
My double pararo. Go do your magic, my Ozogo. My sweet baby. My baby. Deacon. Okay? Don't worry. I'll go on the fresh now. Okay? My love. My sugar. Baby! Baby, go do your thing now. Don't worry. Let me just go in and pick up this. I'll come to pick up, okay? Go do your magic. My baby! My sugar! I'll come, okay? Don't worry. Don't miss me too much.
I know what they want to do. Make they carry me come out so that they go the thief. Nobody will come and stop them. Come for this place, so God already decided to say, now me be the second Jesus for this place. Now me and Anna they want this place, not saying one thing. What kind of mercy? Actually, not be every child for orphanage they adopt. Now they adopt the one way one. Actually, not be any person waiting for orphanage they adopt. Me, I don't do you make I do the work with my father, my Lord, see make I come do. See, Lord, me, I'm ready. Use me and do whatever you want. I don't think about my life, and I mean, to make sense again.
Congratulations, I hear say people come adopt you today.
So congratulations, I need to go adopt. Don't be me. I know they go. I dey here for life. Why? Now me and them don't map. They safeguard this place. If I leave, who want to safeguard them? No, they go. I go dey here.
I still think you should go now.
You why you no want go? In fact, let's my father.
She's a no nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say, Bokribo. She's a no nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things. Why? She know they hear what do I. Hey, go see Nanja Gaban. She's a no nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say, Bokribo. She's a no nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they hear what and she fears nobody. Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl, about everywhere. Go try her, if she enter your matter, wahala go day. Oh yeah. Hey, Kosi na Jagaban. She's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say, Bokribo. She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they hear what Kosi, and she fears nobody. Hey. Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl, about everywhere. Go try her, if she enter your matter, wahala go day. Oh yeah.
Okay, as a friend now, tell me why you don't want to go with those couples that came. They look like nice people.
I don't want because if I leave this place, who is going to be taking care of this? So who is going to be stopping all this nonsense that is happening?
So that's why you want to put your life on hold. You don't need to put your life on hold because of the things going on here. Okay, I have decided not to turn blind eyes over the things going on in this orphanage. Now you need to go out there and be the best of yourself and make me proud. My baby. Yes.
You be nice person.
Kosi! Kosi! You need to stop speaking this English you're speaking. You need to start speaking correct English.
All of them are English. I'm not saying to them. And you know, say me, you know, say me, I don't stop like that. So I just speak. But anyway, I go, they'll manage me, anyhow, I speak.
Yes, they will manage you. They will take you the way you are. But you need to start speaking correct English for you to fit into the environment you're going into. And it also help you to upgrade your person.
No, well, I will try. I'll try.
That's my baby.
Let's look in your room to see.
Go see you. You go to your own room.
I don't want to sleep with the children.
Okay, no problem.
Because they were asking me too many questions.
No problem, you can.
Alright, Kosi, I am warning you for the last time. And I'm giving you 2 options. 1, it is either you follow the couple
or what? What would you do to me? What? You will chase me out?
Yes. I will send you back to the street where you rightfully belong.
You know fit. Yes, I said it. Mommy talker. You know fit. First thing what I will do, I will, you know this that is supposed on social media, I will go and meet them and I will explain my life story and give it to them. Then I will know if they will still come up with this nonsense plan.
Are you threatening me?
Me threatening you? Try nonsense now. Try me and see. Can't play. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. As you get power, you know, not everybody can shine your power upon you.
Kosi, I don't know what is giving you the guts. But whatever it is, whether you like it or not, is either you follow the couple like I rightfully said. Are you walking out of me? Kosi! Kosi, come back here!
Why?
What is wrong with this girl?
She know they hear what to hey, go see Naija Kaba. She said no.
See that mother with them? You know it's you, not be small journey you.
My sister. My mother-in-law is leaving me next time.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
You need to woman up and start taking care of your child though.
I just don't want to. I just wish she can just take Desire along with her.
In your dreams, you better stop running away from your responsibilities.
Okay. I think I will bring her to you so you can take good care of her.
That will be very welcome. But my daughter will be coming home shortly. Yes.
Daughter?
I want to focus all my energy on her.
Have you considered going for the adoption?
Yes.
Wow. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you very much. This is good. My daughter Kosi will be coming in. You know, we'll be meeting my daughter very soon.
Kosi?
Yeah, Kosi.
That's her name?
That's her name. Yeah.
Congratulations, girl.
Thank you.
Wow. So you're now a mother of a girl. Oh! Congrats.
Enjoy this watermelon. It's very sweet.
Yeah. It's sweet. Wow. My friend is not a mother.
Yes, so you can say that again.
I'm happy for you, girl.
My dear, I happy pass you.
Well, I'll be leaving you shortly. My mother-in-law is going to the market very soon and she'll meet me in the house because of
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
You have a nice place. So, how long have you guys been staying there?
Since my husband bought it 4 years ago.
Oh, nice.
Okay. But please, what do you do? I have a business. I own a beauty salon. Though I have people running it for me and all of that. Yes, most times I usually stay at home. But my husband here owns a construction company. That's fine. Well, financially, both of you are okay to take care of a child. But you know, taking care of a child is not all about finances.
You're right about that.
Okay. Sorry to ask, is there any form of violence in this area?
Well,
No. I know what you're afraid of. Let me tell you something. You see Kosi Sochiko? She's in the safe hands with us. Yeah. No problem.
Lastly, I would like to remind you that children are gifts from God and they should be taken care of. Yes, you might punish them as a form of correction, but they should never be maltreated. Like I said before, Kosi is in the right hand. Okay. And I hope you guys don't mind any impromptu visits.
well, our doors are open to you. You can visit us anytime you want.
Because I always check up on her for the first 6 months of the adoption.
Oh, you don't have any problems. You can always come here anytime you feel.
Alright, we're good to go anyways. I have to take my leave now.
No. Take your leave? No. I am making some communication. You have to wait. Yes.
Don't worry, next time I'll be...
No,
seriously, please. Can you just
Please
say...
sit.
I have to take care of something. Please.
Take care of your stomach first. Please sit.
Please, can you sit?
Sit down.
I'll join you guys next time.
Sit down. Now.
My husband. Okay. Alright, let me check what I'm doing. Alright.
Yeah, I'll help you out.
My baby. Oh, the sugar in my tea. You see, they make everywhere hot. So I want they sweet me.
Hey,
only they sweet me. They enjoy it.
hey, babe.
Hi.
Remember what I asked you for?
And that's true. How much do you say you want again? Just tell me.
Just 100k.
100k? Just 100k? Changing 100k? I was only thinking you want to say 500k, 1 million. That's a small challenge, okay? That's a small challenge.
Are you serious?
I will use my sister's POS and make a transfer to you sharply. Everything for you now.
That's why I love you. That's why I love you so much.
You deserve it. You deserve it. I'm gonna die,
Jesus, who did that? Hey! Gossip! Gossip! Gossip, what's the meaning of this?
It's a mistake. What are you doing at the backyard?
What kind of mistake? Are you blind? Like, is this where you used to pour water?
What do you do for backyard routine? What are you doing at this your age? You're not doing material at your age. One corner.
Look at this change. I can see you have not changed with your bad character.
I can see that you two have started doing material one corner at this your age. Why? Are you mad?
I'll stop this game now.
What's going on? Say I want to pour water. This is where we used to pour water. I came to pour water and you mistakenly pour person.
You mistakenly pour me?
The question should be, what are you doing here with this man? This man. Are you up to man? The question is, what are you doing here with this boy?
Gabe.
That should be the question.
Boy.
Is it Gabe? Wait, baby, let me handle this. Boy. Is it my baby you call a boy?
What?
Gossip! 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 You call a boy!
This up! This that change! Hey! Oh, see me now. Eh? What don't package I won't go somewhere? Just go wait me. You can't worry this now. You can't change with this.
I'm happy you're leaving this environment. Now listen to me very attentively. I want you to be of your best behavior in your new home. And I want you to love and cherish your new family. Don't bring disgrace to me.
That normally me, I'll be good kid.
I no doubt you, my baby.
So you don't even speak pidgin.
Everybody they speak pidgin. I miss you, my love. My baby. Oh, I miss you so much.
She's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what I say. Okribo. She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what and she fears nobody. Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody.
Don't worry, I'll be coming here to check up on you people. Now, buy something for you. Yeah?
Okay, don't bother. Please promise to take care of my friend.
Definitely. I promise to take care of her, okay? And I promise to bring her here time to time to see you guys.
I'm coming to check up on you, yeah?
Daddy's in the car waiting. We have to hurry up. Definitely, she'll be a good girl. She's in the right hands.
Okay. Yes. You guys need to allow this.
Don't worry. See what I'm going to come in here from time to time. We'll come from time to time to see you, okay? She will come, okay? Don't worry. Alright, you guys should take care. And your kids, okay? Alright, bye. Thank you.
She's a good girl.
Alright, children, you need to go inside now.
No, that's not how we use it.
Your mom is actually the best chef ever.
Thank you, my family.
You are coming south. I never seen anyone you come to something. Now you say I want you to clean.
First of all, you need to start with the good English in this house.
I started to do English. I just speak English. I don't just speak, I want to do the session. When you do the session, I will keep up. I started to come over anyway. But later, life sounds good. Where I can, I don't do my session. Where is the kind of way? You don't need to understand anything. You want to open mind to communicate with people. But now I don't get to step. Now English don't be necessary. I can speak English well. Well.
Back to your question. We have someone who comes to clean the house twice a week, but on a special occasion. Why do the rest myself? Yeah.
No.
Jose, I said you should speak Queen's English in this house. Please.
No problem. I got you. So then the guys who call to look at me for a problem.
Trouble? No. Nobody looks for trouble. Nobody's looking for trouble in this house.
My dad is gay. He's a gentleman. You know you should talk to this.
It's called table manners.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
I'm so lucky to be adopted into such a loving family. It's been weeks already, and they still adore me so much. God, this had made me really believe that good things happen to good people because I'm a good person.
Nothing's hidden under the sun, nothing at all. So think about.
My baby. Cozy love, come here. My love. Yeah. Beautiful family.
Because how are you?
I'm fine.
Now you guys are going to kill me.
If we don't kill you, I'm going to kill. Baby, do you want anything, my love? Are you sure?
Yes, me too.
Let's go for shopping or something. Okay. So we're going to have fun today in the house. Yes. So we're going to be doing the cooking today together. We're going to have fun in the kitchen.
Okay.
You love me, right?
Yes.
So baby, we're going to bathe you.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing's hidden under the sun, nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret? How long? Nothing's hidden under the sun, nothing at all. So think about. No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. Ah, yeah. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret? How long? Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. So think about.
Why are you two laughing?
I think we need to take a family picture. Yes. Come on, baby. Baby, come, let's take a family picture. Baby, come please now.
I don't.
Baby, are you looking so cute? Oh, my baby.
Sorry,
Baby, you look so cute. Baby, come now, let's take family picture. Go see why you're ready.
Come here.
What's the problem?
Let her come here so I won't be back.
You better leave the baby alone. Eh? When you were sleeping, you didn't know. What do you want to do? You want to play with Baby, stop now.
You are going to do what I do.
Kosi, don't mind him.
Kosi, as your father, I am commanding you to come here now. Kosi.
No secret is meant to last forever.
Easy, not much.
No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Let me put her now. I cannot carry it.
No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret? How long? Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. So think about. No secret is meant to last forever.
Time for another hunger strike.
I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
I thought
time I will take this, it will be 2 weeks. I'll get fat. But when you see this kind of thing, you don't find me.
Yes, I want you to get fat. Get fat for me.
2, 3, 4 months. I'll get fat.
What's going on? You're done? You're going to be late for school.
We allow her to eat now. She's going to choke.
For God's sake, I have a meeting by 9. What's going on? Hurry up and meet me in the car, okay?
I already packed your lunch box. It's inside your desk now. Yeah. Make sure you finish your food, okay? Alright. Baby, wait for her now, please. Are you done? Alright. You okay? Alright, take care. Bye. I love you. I love you, baby girl.
Where's mommy, daddy?
Make sure you focus, oh. Please wait for her now, honey.
Listen now.
So they bring down your voice.
I missed you now. Don't pretend as if you don't miss me.
You're in my husband's house. Bring down your voice. My daughter is around.
Which daughter? Which daughter are you talking about?
Babe, when we just adopt the other day, don't talk to your daughter.
My baby baby.
Baby.
My baby baby. Okay.
So that's why you just adopt your daddy, don't talk to your baby over there. That's what they do, baby. I'm not advice you to adopt her, but don't talk to baby.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. Yeah. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep it?
Yes, so he's gone home. Seems you don't like him.
I like him.
I noticed.
What's he always find you?
How?
She didn't have any best friend. Why you always come on that you again?
You're too inquisitive, my darling. See, he's a family friend. And he has always been coming here from time to time. Yes, that is how it has always been.
Okay.
So, my darling, what are you doing?
My assignment. I'm trying to get this book it's really stressful.
Oh, okay.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it.
What is wrong with Lily? What is even wrong with her? Every time, my daughter. A girl you adopted and brought into the house. A girl that did not come out of your womb. You're all hell over with her. What sort of rubbish is this? I have to act fast. Yes, I have to act fast. Let Ezinna not go and will all his properties to that girl. All in the name of she's my daughter. And wait a minute. That little brat is capable of spoiling things for me. Yes. What do I do now? What do I do? I have to act fast. And make sure he doesn't will everything to her.
I have to take everything away from Ezen now. That includes his wife, Lily. I need to see Lily. No, I just have to act fast.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Finally have chance to face this thing. Yeah. Hey, I'll be enjoying my own. I did tell you.
Nothing for you. That's because you're mothering a grown girl now.
Right? Do you know that the last time she spilled water on the floor, I cautioned her. I felt so happy about it.
You felt so happy about it? That she spilled water?
No. Like, I was happy that I cautioned my own child, my own daughter, you know? You know that feeling when you and your daughter are dressing up, cooking together, going to shopping together and all of that. You know? I felt so happy about it.
Aww, my dear, I'm happy for you.
Thank you. You can say that.
Please, please don't spoil her through that process. I'm telling you.
My sister. My darling, I am going to spoil her. You see that girl? That girl gives me so much joy.
Aww.
I'm telling you, I'm not gonna lie for you now.
I'm happy for you, girl.
She gives me joy. I go spoil her to any level. I will tell you.
Hey, you shine.
I can make I shine. Oh, God don't do it for me. This motherhood now they see me too that they enjoy.
You can say that again, though, but it's not easy.
My baby, my girl is back up here. How was good today, Janelle?
Yeah, fine. My teacher said we'll be going for an excursion and we need to pay 35,000 naira.
Okay, wow, that would be nice. That means you're going to learn a lot of things from the excursion. So when is this excursion?
In 2 weeks' time.
In 2 weeks' time, okay. Okay, I'll take you to the school tomorrow. Then I'll make everything for it.
No problem.
Like some people have forgotten you.
No, I can't. How is
It
this?
is not. It's fine.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
I would like to see her again.
Definitely. Don't worry, when I'm coming, I'll bring her along. Or you come over, right?
I know you'll be very hungry right now.
I can't even eat you.
Oh my goodness, you want to eat your mother? So if you eat your mother, now who will be your mother?
Let me ask her.
No, you're still my best mother.
My baby, my sugar, I love you so much.
It's gonna give me something.
Don't worry, just go upstairs and freshen up and come down. By then your food will be sent, okay?
Alright.
I love you. My baby, you look good though. Hey. Hi, baby girl.
Okay, yeah. No, bring it, let me take it to the kitchen. Bring it, come here, let me have it. Alright. Just go upstairs and freshen up, okay? My friend, Oma, I need to go and hit my daughter's food, okay? I need to snack, I need to give her attention. Okay. Please take your time, okay? Please, Harry, get dressed. You have to start going.
Which one is I have to start going?
Get dressed. My daughter will soon be back from school. Please.
I don't understand you. Which one is I should dress up and leave? Your daughter will be back from school, eh? What is it about this your daughter all the time? A girl you didn't even birth from your womb. Eh? Okay, what if the biological mother of this girl is a mad woman?
Enough, Harry! I will not have you insult my daughter each and every time in my presence. What's the meaning of that now? Eh? Please, we are ending this thing we have right now.
Lily, you're shouting.
We are ending it right now, please.
That?
Yes. I want to focus on my family. And that is why we need to end all those things that is going on. We need to end it.
Oh, now you have to focus on your family. We're not ending anything. No. We've been having this and enjoying it for years. We've never complained. Eh? Look, I'm sure it's because of that stupid cussy girl that
Enough! What is the problem now? Like I said before, I will not have you insult my daughter in my presence. Okay? Please. I want to focus on my family. I want to start having my own child. I want someone that will call me a mother. Okay? And that is what I want right now. So please, dress up, get up and leave. Leave my matrimonial bed now.
Okay. I know you're not. You're joking.
Leave my matrimonial bed now. What is all this rubbish now?
You're serious.
Am I joking? What's the meaning of this now? I'm serious. I'm dead serious.
You can't be serious now.
You need to leave. I need to focus on my family. I need to give them attention. I need to give them my whole attention. Please.
Now you focus on your family.
Stand up and leave now. Eh? What's all this now? Do you want to put me in trouble? What if my daughter now find out that I'm cheating on her dad? Eh? Who will be her fate?
I said it before. It's because of this stupid, useless cussy of a girl. That's why
I'll push you right now. I'll push you. Please now stand up and get up and leave. I beg. I don't like. Get out!
You're too paranoid.
Let it be.
Not the boy. I know you can't look for me.
I will not look for you. We need to end this.
You cannot forget the style I used to give to you. Even though your husband cannot give me that style. You look for me. I know you. You cry and come and meet me. Are you sure you want me to go?
I will get out now. Leave this place now. I thought I would soon be back. Leave here. I will not look for you. Just go. We're ending this. It's over between us.
No secret is meant to last forever.
What kind of human being is this? Is it by force?
No matter how you try to have everywhere. Go try if she enter your matter, wahala go there. Oh yeah. Kosi na jagaban, she's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say bokribo. She's a no-nonsense girl, she know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Kosi know they hear what Kosi, and she fears nobody. Cause he's such a cool, she fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl, about everywhere.